Well, here's a quick gardening tip for you. Sow backup cucumber plants, cucumber seeds. 3 weeks ago, I sowed cucumber seeds, Ashley and straight eights, along the border here on the trellis, where you see the cups. And I've actually transplanted a few of them already right there. I sowed seeds 3 weeks ago, and not a darn one of them came up. I've never had that problem before. I mean, there's a few that always seem to not germinate, but not a single one. I don't know why. This is a new bed this year. Everything else has come up wonderfully. You know, the ground cherries, radishes, kales, all those sorts of things, but not one single cucumber came up. Anyways, so I got another, maybe it was a bad packet of seeds. That's probably what it was. But anyways, sow yourself some backups. Now, I sowed these backups about a week later. So these have been growing for, I guess about 3 weeks now. But, we're getting them in the ground today. Putting them right in there so I'm not behind schedule that much. And it's looking good. I think they're going to be happy. And we'll get the rest of these put in the ground and we'll be off and running. So, quick tip for you. A little bit of advice. Cucumbers, sow yourself a couple of backups. I'm glad I did. All right, everybody. Bye.